Hello, should we talk about tags today? Yeah, why not? So let's start off with some tags that you can actually buy from your local craft shop or from off Amazon. And here is a couple of examples. This is a rather large one and a kind of a medium-sized one, and these can be quite readily available. They could be a little bit expensive for you when you first start out. Another alternative that you can have is to buy some luggage labels, and this example here comes with a natty piece of string, so you don't even need to buy anything to tie it onto it. It's already got its own little piece of string. So here's some examples: a large one, a sort of medium size one, and a small example of tags. So those can be bought. You can also get tags from when you go shopping. And again, here is a few examples of tags that I've bought that was attached to clothes. And this one has a lovely piece of pink ribbon that goes with it. This is a shop that many in the UK will recognise. And all you need to do is to snip the corners off so that it looks more like a tag. And to do that, all you need to do is to get a pair of scissors, snip the corners off. The idea would be to snip one, turn it round and use that as a template to snip the other corner so it looks even. So those are tags that you get on clothes or a bag or articles that you get from the shop. These are examples of tags that I got from a company that I used to get supplies from, mixed media supplies, and it was called Your Creative Studio. I think it was it's based in Canada, and you'd get a monthly supply of these beautiful things, and these are just examples of the tags that I got whilst sort of taking a monthly subscription out with that company. So these are really lovely, and you can either use this as the feature or you can put something on the back, and so you've got two sides. That will be rather lovely to either put in a journal or to put it onto a present for a loved one. You can also have sort of envelopes, and you can put that in your art journal. You can use it as a little place to tuck something in and stick it down onto your page, and you can embellish the front there. If you haven't got any of those, you can get some cardstock. This is just cream cardstock, and this is more of a sturdy cardstock there. And what I've done is I've used this because I particularly like the size, and I've put it onto the cardstock, and then with a pencil gone round it, using it as a template, and then cut it out. So I have this size, and I can sort of get 2 or 3 out of that piece of cardstock. The idea then is to punch a hole in it. I have one of these contraptions, which again is quite expensive, especially if you're starting out. But what you can use is just an office hole punch. What I would suggest is that if you're going to use one of these, is to punch the hole out first, because it's rather difficult for you to sort of line it up exactly where you want it if you've cut this out, and then you're trying to sort of find out where you want to cut the put the hole into. So the idea I would suggest is to make the hole first and then put your template over it, so you get a nice equally balanced tag. So those are a few examples. This is a washer that you can use to go over the hole once you've punched it out. But as I say, you can use all sorts of things that you get with your shopping, or you can go onto the internet or to your local craft store and buy some ready-made tags. So those are the ideas for tags. This is the sort of bottom part of the tags that we will build onto, and that will happen in the next episode. So I hope you will join me again. Thanks for watching, and if you would subscribe, I would be extremely grateful. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.